Benny loves playing in the garden, digging with his little paws. He grabs a yummy carrot, but his paws are still dirty. Oh, tiny germs jump onto Benny's hands, giggling. Soon, Benny's tummy hurts because of those sneaky germs. He sneezes and coughs, feeling weak and tired. Benny feels hot and sick, and the germs dance around happily. He sits sadly on the grass, wishing he felt better. Then Benny remembers.
Wash your hands before you eat.
He hops to the sink and turns on the shiny water. Soap bubbles cover his paws, making fun. The germs slide away with the water and disappear. Benny dries his clean paws and enjoys his carrot happily. Always.
Wash your hands, stay healthy and strong.
Thanks for watching. For more, subscribe Kids Chain Diary.